In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to add properties to page in Notion. We'll walk through creating a new page, turning it into a database, and then adding properties so your information is structured, searchable, and easy to manage. Properties are the columns you see in a database, things like tags, dates, checkboxes, numbers, and more that help you organize and sort your content. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in, create a new page. You can do this by clicking the New Page option, and for clarity in this walkthrough, give it a title like Add Properties. Naming the page helps you keep track of what you're building, especially if you're experimenting or documenting a workflow. Next, inside this blank page, type the / command followed by the word database. You'll see a menu appear. Click the database option that shows up. This converts the page into a database page, which is what enables properties. Regular pages don't have properties on their own. Properties belong to databases, so this step is essential. Now that your page is a database, you'll see an option to Add Property. Click that. You'll be prompted to choose the type of property you want. Notion offers several types, each built for a specific kind of data. For example, use text when you need a simple note or description, number for quantities or metrics, select when each entry should have only one tag from a set list, and multi-select when you want to allow multiple tags per item. Date is great for deadlines or event times, checkbox works for simple true or false tracking, and URL is ideal for links. Choose the property type that best fits the information you'll store, and give the property a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious how to use it later. If you want to add more properties, simply click Add Property again and repeat the process. Think about the questions you'll ask of your data, like status, priority, owner, or due date, and add properties that support those needs. The goal is to make each entry in your database consistent and easy to filter or sort later. That's it. You opened Notion, created a new page, turned it into a database with the / command, and use the Add Property option to build the structure you need. Keep your property names consistent, choose property types thoughtfully, and repeat Add Property whenever you need more fields. This simple setup makes your Notion workspace far more powerful and organized.